Hello there, it's your girl Daphne back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working in my kitchen and I'm going to be tackling a couple of projects that I've been meaning to do. They are organizational projects. One is going to be just updating, not updating, rather just refreshing the snack drawer that I previously had shared with you guys. I'm just going to be restocking it and then just looking at the storage containers that I've been using to make sure that they're still the correct ones for the items that I've been putting in, especially because it's summer. You know, some of the snacks have changed, so I just wanted, to just take a look at it again and also clean it and just make it nice and tidy again. The other one is the corner cabinet, the lower that I'm standing in front of here. I've never organized it. We had our kitchen done about 4 years or so ago, and we just throw items in there. It's a useful thing to have, but it can get out of control really quickly, so we're gonna be working on that. And then if we have time at the end, I'm also going to be just cleaning and decluttering underneath my kitchen sink. So let's get started. So this is everything that came out of the cabinet. So I am going to put all like items together and start sorting. It keeps going and going and going. It's sort of like you throw stuff in there and it just gets lost. So I have to come up with a better system. So I'd like to introduce myself again. My name is Daphne. I'd like to welcome anyone that's new that clicked on my video for the first time today. Welcome. And to all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back. I really do appreciate your support, and I am super excited just in the amount of growth that my channel has experienced. And I just want to say that I am so very thankful for all of the support and positive comments and feedback that I get on all of my videos. So I just want to take this time to just say a special thanks to everyone. And I just want to say, if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Throughout the video, I'm going to just be leaving and asking questions. So I really do like to hear comments and feedback from you. So if you feel comfortable, leave me a comment down below. I really would enjoy reading your comments and your responses to my questions. So thank you. So here's how the corner cabinet is looking. It's really deep. It can hold a lot of surplus items, but you have to make sure that you don't put too many items back there because it's so deep, it does get lost. Now we did add 2 puck lights in there so that we can at least see all the items all the way to the back. But again, I'm thinking that I might add in some type of shelving system. So leave me a comment down below if you have added like a shelving system and if you like it or not. I just want to remind you, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, so please give it a thumbs up. So if you guys remember from my last organizational videos, the Tostitos is the bane of my existence. So I'm just trying to consolidate the little scrap bags into this container, and then I'm going to put it back into my pantry. So if you have not watched my previous organization for my pantry, and also when I started the snack drawer, I'm going to link those videos in the cards and also in the description so you can go back and take a look at them. So as I'm putting the items back, I'm really thinking about items that we don't use that frequently. And those are the items that I'm going to put all the way far back. And I'm trying not to push all the items all the way back. Like I'm leaving about 1.5 feet space empty so that the items don't get lost in that far corner. So we're all done. It's not Pinterest worthy or anything, but it is a lot cleaner, a lot more organized, and it is not as messy as it was previously. So I was able to go through a lot of the items that we did not need, and I'm going to be trashing them or relocating them. So I'm just going to show you what is not going inside. So everything that's on the counters now is either going to be relocated or trashed. So I absolutely love doing organization in my home. I recently did a huge garage clean out that was well overdue. I actually had never done a garage clean out, and I've been in my home for 10 years, so you can imagine how messy it was. I shared that organizational clean out on my channel, so I'll link it in the cards and in the description. So if you haven't watched it, check it out after this. It's really motivating, and I gave a lot of tips on how to organize and just how to make it easy to be able to tackle a big project like that, because it can be intimidating. But if you break it down and you work section by section, it makes it much easier to be able to accomplish. So I'm just loading back all of the items into all of the containers that I had previously organized in here. Every so often I have to just make sure that I give it a quick clean and reorganize and just assess and make sure that the containers are still working. So they are, and now I'm just, adding back all of the items. As I was cleaning them out, I saw that there was a lot of open space, so I just went down to the garage where I keep all of my surplus for the snack drawer and all of my food items, and I just refilled it so that it's all restocked. Okay, so it's very messy, but I do have ample storage underneath here. I have like little built-ins on the doors. I just need to organize much better underneath here. So we're just going to quickly do that. So what type of items do you guys keep underneath your sink? I try to make sure that I have like all of the cleaning necessities for the kitchen, and then I also store some items that I'm not able to store in other places. Like I have my candles down here, I have my diffuse oils, and little miscellaneous things like that. So leave me a comment down below and let me know how you organize underneath your kitchen cabinet. So in a couple of videos ago, I had mentioned that I'm in a book club. So our book that we're reading right now is The Midnight Library. And let me tell you, this book is absolutely amazing. I could not put it down. It is so captivating. Like, if you have not read The Midnight Library, then I suggest that you go to your local library or bookstore and get a copy of it, because you will be like captivated just reading, and you will not want to put this book down. I'm not going to give too many details. Look it up. It's called The Midnight Library. And if you think that this is a book that you want to read, leave me a comment down below, or if you have any other suggestions of books as well. So this is the final result. I have everything nice and organized. These are built in, so this has like extra bags. I have like my little hanging hooks up top and my little bumpers. In the back I have my sponges, and I have like all of my cleaning products on the right hand side. I have overflow of dishwashing liquid and also a larger cleaning detergent, my extra bags, my Swifters and sponges in the back there. And then down here is just like all of my miscellaneous items. I have some candles in here. I have my polishes in here, oils for the diffuser. I have hand sanitizer here, my Brita filters. I have matches and just some hanging tape. And that's it. I think it looks much better. It's cleaner. It's a lot more organized. I know that I can do further improvements, but for now, this is good. So this is what my kitchen looks like after doing those projects. So I am just going to give it a quick clean, and then I'll be done. Now I'm all sure we can all appreciate a little YouTube magic. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. I'd like to remind you, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I hope that you enjoyed this video, so please give it a thumbs up, and please share with any friends and family that might like my content. Until the next time, have a blessed day.